Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FBS to TradingView in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, simply log in here with the help of your email address if you haven't already. So once this step is done, you just have to launch any of the Forex charts in front of you. For that, simply use the search bar here on the top. Afterwards, you can click on the Forex tab. Over here, it is going to show you bunch of different tickers from bunch of different brokers. So here you can either type any of the list of the tickers that you want to basically launch here. For example, let's say if you want to launch gold, you can type XAUUSD here on the top. In the Forex pairs, although you can just simply click on any of the charts and you can simply launch it just like so. So once this is done, once you are here on this particular chart, simply click on this trading panel option in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, click on the option of show all brokers. Now, when it shows you the list of all of the brokers which you can connect with your TradingView account, among these, you just have to look for whether FBS is available here or not. You can use the search bar here on the top right hand corner. Then you can just simply type FBS here. If you are able to find its icon over here, it simply means that you can connect it with your TradingView account. But as you can see, nothing showed up here. It simply means that you can't actually connect your FBS account with TradingView. So in this situation, what you can do is you can just simply use TradingView for analysis purposes. And for the trade execution, you can use FBS. You can log in your credentials into your MT5 account, and you can also use the FBS application and the website, and from here you can punch your order. So basically you can use TradingView for analysis and FBS for the trade execution, and that is the correct way of connecting FBS to TradingView or using both of these together. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.